in its unit place. So the word unit. So unit stands for 1. So unit stands for 1, O-N-E, 1. Is it? That's why you say the standard quantity means the unit as its numeric value as 1. As we just got from here, we just go out of this because we were supposed to know why it was called a unit that I was explaining. Now say you read just now that length was 5 centimeter. How it is 5 centimeter meaningful? How is it meaningful? It is meaningful like 5 is a numeric value. Multiply with this centimeter stands for 1 centimeter. That's why 5 is called the numeric value. That is called n. And this 1 centimeter as a whole is called u. It means length happened to be, this length of the body happened to be 1 centimeter added to 1 centimeter to added 1 centimeter added 1 centimeter added 1 centimeter. That is 5 times this unit was added. So it is called a unit. It is added 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. That means if there is a scale of value 1 centimeter, you can measure a length of 5 centimeter body by placing it one by one at 5 points, at one by one at every ending point. Then only this scale will get you the 5 centimeter length. So is the meaning actually called what? Length is numeric value into unit. Unit is centimeter because we never use the term 1, but 1 is there. 1 is there. So 1 centimeter is 1. This 1 cannot be replaced by any other number. Centimeter with, I have written 1, that means this 1 cannot be replaced. You cannot write 2 centimeter over there or 3 centimeter over there. If it is, say, force is equal to, you say 5N. Why 5? Say 25N. 25 Newton is the value of force. That means it is 25 times of the unit of force value as of 1 Newton. That is 1 Newton force is applied at one time. Then if 25 same unit value is applied to the body will be under the effect of 25 Newton. So is the meaning that how many times in the definition, go to the definition again. How many times the standard quantity, that is unit, is contained in the physical quantity. The physical quantity of force is containing 25 times of its unit as 1 Newton. What is that? Force quantity, physical quantity called force, is containing the unit 1 Newton 25 times. That's why it is called force is 25 Newton. So these two are required for any expression of physical quantity. What these two terms? One is N. N is called the numeric value of the term, and U is called the unit. Why the unit? I said it's Unit is always associated with the number 1. So it is called a unit, and it is a standard quantity because everyone will accept this, universally accept it, that unit is standardized. 100 rupees stands for 1 rupee value of 100 times, isn't it? 100 rupees, a 100 rupee note, which is a physical quantity here, contains 1 rupee value of its currency 100 times. So 1 rupee currency is called here a unit, and 100 is called its magnitude or the numeric value. So is the reason for it. So it is magnitude. So quantities are like that. We then move on to choice of unit. If you are online sitting with your textbook, you can just refer to your textbook. Point wise it is given, must have been given in your textbook, that what is the choice, how you select a unit. Unit is randomly not selected. Unit is selected under some specific rules which actually govern the unit system. First and foremost, we say it should be sizable. It should be convenient. So your first sentence was supposed to be the choice of unit. It is said in your book, convenient size. Convenient means easy accessible. Convenience means easy accessibility. You can access it easily. You can acquire it easily. You can remember it easily. You can write it easily, so that it is convenient. And it will be done if it is having a proper size. Smaller is the better. If one letter can give a potential of a unit, so that letter will be useful for it. That's why it should be of a convenient size. Then next 3 points are very reasonable and very essential for its universal accessibility, its universal recognition. The next 3 point wise I deal. One is that it can be defined without ambiguity. First is size. Convenient size. Second is there, which is saying it should be defined without ambiguity. To be defined without ambiguity. The word ambiguity means vagueness. Ambiguity without ambiguity means vagueness. Means it should bear one and only one meaning which will be accepted. It cannot have double meaning. It cannot have various meanings of different standards. That's why it should be without any confusion. It is to be understood without confusion. So there should be no ambiguity, no improperness. So it is called that it should be defined without any vagueness or without any ambiguity. Okay? Next point is it should be reproducible. Should be reproducible. Reproducible means it can generate to, it can reproduce. It can make use of its own in such a way that it can give generation to many other units as per requirement. As you have a length, 1 unit length. Okay. If in the same body there is another length to it, when you multiply these two, you see the length is becoming of its double power, which refers to some different physical quantity as area. Then you multiply that with a third of the length of its value, it will be giving you length to the power 3. That means it is giving the another physical quantity. That means the length was one physical quantity. When it multiplied with the length value again, it becomes a L square, length square is the area value. When it is multiplied 3 times,